Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to use the grab more and fill again features in Gradetransfer. These allow you to combine multiple data sets and fill that data over and over again. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab some data. I'm modeling in Google Classroom, but you can do this in any of our supported platforms for grabbing or filling. These features work the same. So once you've grabbed your first set of data, go back to the extension, and you will see now under the fill button, you have this grab more or fill again feature. We're going to start with grab more. If you want to grab more sets of data, toggle on, and now that green button has turned to say grab more. So that's what you're going to do. Go into your second assignment, your second class, and grab more. Your briefcase is going to keep the information from before and add the additional information, and you can continue to repeat this process over and over again with as many assignments, as many classes as needed. Once you are done grabbing all of your data, it is going to all be held in your briefcase. You can go over to your filling gradebook. Again, I'm going to model with PowerTeacher Pro, but you can do this with any filling gradebook that we support. And when you go into the extension, if you want to fill your data, you need to toggle grab more to off. Then that green button is going to return to fill data. Now, if I fill this data, my briefcase is going to clear because that's what Gradetransfer automatically does. If that doesn't work for you, if you want to be able to continue to fill the same information that you're holding over and over and over again without needing to go re-grab it, then let me show you fill again. Just choose fill again from your selection and toggle that to on. You will see the fill data button becomes fill again. So now when I press this button, my data fills and I get a notification telling me that the data is being held. Storage has not been cleared, no need to re-grab. It is still the set you grabbed initially. You can fill it again or go grab more and add on. So for example, I could go into another class and click fill again. And I can continue to keep filling this grab data over and over. When I'm ready to be done with that, I toggle fill again to off, and I can clear my briefcase by clicking on the trash can button. And now we're back to grabbing. All right, so just to recap, to be able to see these toggles, you first need to grab data, and then underneath our big green button, you will have your grab more or fill again options. Select the ones you want, toggle it on when you want to use that feature, toggle it off when you're done, trash can if you need to clear and restart. And that's it. Give it a try. Happy transferring.